In this video, you will learn how you can link your Google Forms to a Google spreadsheet. Just type googleforms.google.com in the address bar in the URL and press enter. It's going to take you to the home page for Google Forms. When you are here, you want to open the forms that you created in the previous video. We created this form. This is the one that we're going to link to Google Sheets. So if you haven't watched the previous video, I recommend you watch it. So we are on the same page. So just click on this to open it. Now, when it opened, we know in the previous video we created all this form, and here we have the responses that we have here. And we can see all the responses from here. But in the case that you want to have all the answers in one place, you can link the Google Form responses to a Google Sheets. I'm going to show you two ways, but one, it has two ways also. So actually there are three ways you can link to a Google spreadsheet. Please just click on this. So here you're going to see these two options of actually linking these responses tab to a spreadsheet. The first one is actually how you can create a new spreadsheet from scratch. And you should give it a name here. Just treat everything that's here. We're going to say it's going to be CIA responses sheet. And so just like that. CIL responses sheet, then just click on create. This is going to create a new spreadsheet in Google Sheets where all the responses that are going to be coming from this form, they are going to be saved automatically without you having to do anything. That's the powerful automation that you can do here. Let's just try this in action. Let's click on preview here. When you click on preview, the form is going to be opened in a separate tab. And so here you can see this form. Let's submit a new response. Just like that, then we submit this form. Now, instead of us coming here in the form and checking the responses tab, we can just open the CIA responses sheets automatically, and you will see that Ben has responded. You don't have to come here and manually refresh or do anything. This automatically detects any changes that happen in the form. So here you can come here and submit another response. Full stop. Let me just submit this form. And let's check. Here it says your response has been recorded. Let's check here. Instantly, without having to refresh, the response is there already. The good thing is if you also come here in the forms, you see the responses that are sent. You see that if 4 people here have responded with all the answers, but these can be frustrating sometimes. So you want to put everything in a document like this so you can see the timestamp and also the information organized in a way like this in a spreadsheet. Okay, so this is just one way to go about it. The second way, let's unlink this to a spreadsheet. When you come here, you're also going to see that this link to sheets is now changed to view in sheets because we already have a sheet. So when you click there, it just opens a sheet that has all the responses. But now we want to unlink this. You can just click on these three dots to unlink this form from the spreadsheet. When you click there, it opens this dialog box and it says, it says new responses to this form will no longer be sent to the spreadsheet, but existing data will be deleted. You can set this up again under destination. So just unlink here, that's what we want. Now we'll see the link to sheets button again. Now when you click here, you see, let's use this second option again. Click there, select existing spreadsheet. When you click here, it's going to open your Google Drive so you can open the existing spreadsheet if you have. And here you can see I have the CIA responses and also a CIA responses. Here I have so many different spreadsheets. I can just choose the one I want to link to. Let me just link to this one. When you select the spreadsheet that you want to link to in Google Drive, you see the insert. When you click there, this is also going to open, but instead of it continuing from where this is, it's going to open a new blank sheet in the CIA responses. The responses will be saved in CIA responses spreadsheet, but on a new spreadsheet. And so this is going to be called responses 2. This is responses 1, the one with the values that already were there. And so all the responses that we have are not going to be here. Now, every time a user comes here and fills the form. Then every time a user submits a new response, when they click submit here, we can come here and check. Yes, automatically, just like that, we have the response from Bernard, just like that. So that's just the first way to do it. But there's another way. So just come here and type sheets .google .com, press enter. It's also going to take you to the home page for Google Sheets. When you are here, you can just simply click on the blank spreadsheet. When you open the blank spreadsheet, it's going to open like this. Now, when you are here, you can simply link this spreadsheet to a form. Just click on tools. When you click on tools, you're going to see create a new form. And so now this is going to create a new form from Google Form. Name it and also description there. Just create a first question here. Also, the answer is going to be a multiple choice. No, it's going to be a short answer. It should be a required and also another question. Let's just say email. This is going to be a short answer question. Also, it's going to be a required one. Just like that, this form is done. We can preview it. Then we can submit this form by just clicking on submit. Now, because this is linked to a spreadsheet, you see that now when you come here, you have the response from the form, just like that. This is because these two are linked to each other. And we created this form from the Google spreadsheet. These are the two ways you can actually link your Google Forms to a Google spreadsheet. I hope this video is helpful. If it was, leave a like on this video and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.